Hey guys, ever get these little rolls from a steakhouse or
Texas Roadhouse.
or any other steakhouse, or just have some extra at home? These little things. We're making French toast. Bam! I got one already cut up here. I cut it up into little fours. Just a small little French toast.
Oh, isn't that cute?
Yeah. So I do it the long way. So we're going to cut this end off. Like that. See, I still got the wrapper that was where it was wrapped up. You're like, I don't want to throw it away. And really it's too hard now for
This to eat.
to roll. So we are making French toast out of it. So here we go. Look at that.
Waste not, want not.
Look at all that. Birds might be mad because they ain't getting it. But
Yeah, they usually get it.
all right.
Well, not these, but
Because we're doing French
our leftover stale bread, sometimes we give it.
We're doing French toast. So I'm going to crack.
And lots of bird feed, of course.
And a lot of peanuts for the squirrels.
Oh, yeah.
Are
and
they
corn.
out there? Are they out there?
And corn. Not right at the moment.
So we're cracking an egg. We're going to put in, you put in whatever you want, you know. I'm putting in some cinnamon.
Oh, you gotta have cinnamon in French toast.
And some vanilla.
And vanilla.
No, I'm not measuring any of this. And then we're going to put a little bit of heavy whipping cream in. You can use milk if you want, or, you know, whatever you want. Let's see if we got enough here. That looks good to me for right now. So let's crank that up a little bit. Got some butter on our iron here. Guys, have you ever done this before or even thought of it? My brother-in-law told me, he said, hey, why don't you make some French toast out of some rolls? I was like, what? So, this one's for you, Chester.
And it's also good for bread pudding.
Yes. Make some bread pudding. And this is nice and hard, so that's what you want. You want some stale bread for French toast.
And it's hard not to eat a lot of those when you're at there. They're nice and hot.
Oh.
Butter on them.
Well, when we went, they gave us some that was right out of the oven. Woo. I think I'm gonna need some more. This bread's soaking it up good. Listen at him.
Side of bacon with that, you're good to go.
Or some swagger.
Or sausage.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got some swaggerty links in there.
Yeah.
Hey, links is my favorite.
I'm gonna let that cook a minute. I don't think I have enough to do another piece. We're scraping here.
And by the way, Swaggerty, if you want to come on board and support us,
We brag about
sponsor
it.
us, we wouldn't care. Because we love your product. That smells good. I can smell that cinnamon in there.
Yeah. There's some butter right there. I'll turn that over into. I'll make another round here when we get off camera. The rest of it. Use that plate. Get me a new fork. Oh, let's try find some syrup here.
Mm.
He's like, I haven't eaten breakfast yet.
I'm saving myself because I wanted to make mushroom soup today. So I'm going to make me some homemade mushroom soup.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of mushrooms, so that'll be a him thing.
Yeah.
I mean,
I get to eat it all.
I like fried mushrooms. I'm not a fan of the,
I like mushrooms any way you can make them.
And stuffed mushrooms.
Oh yeah,
A few. I
love
can't
them.
do a whole lot of them. I can't jalapeno poppers though. I like those. Alright, let's try this piece. Right here. If you put some powdered sugar on top of that if you want.
Yeah.
We're just going with some good old maple syrup. Or syrup as I say, but.
Syrup.
Let's try this baby.
I like to slather it with butter and then put the syrup on.
Yeah, he does. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. So good. I haven't had French toast for a long time because it's not something that we make on a regular basis. Mmm. Guys, I said don't throw them rolls away or don't leave them on your table. Bring them home and make some French toast out of them. Alright guys, so like, comment, share, subscribe please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out. Have a great day.